Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create due date rules in Asana. Whether you're a seasoned project manager or just beginning to explore productivity tools, establishing organized workflows can be incredibly beneficial. It helps keep everyone aligned, ensures deadlines are met, and makes sure nothing slips through the cracks. Today, we're using Asana, a robust platform that can be customized in many powerful ways, one of which includes setting up automation rules based on due dates. These rules are especially helpful for Shopify store owners managing multiple tasks, like product launches, order tracking, or marketing campaigns. Let's dive right in. Once you're inside your Asana project, directing our attention to the top right corner of the screen, you'll see a button labeled Customize. Clicking this opens a window of options that help tailor your project to your unique needs. This is precisely where you want to be, as it allows you to control the appearance, sections, fields, and automated actions that keep your team on track. Next in line, you'll see an option for rules. Click Rules, and then Add to start crafting your new automation rule. This is where Asana's automation really shines, giving you the flexibility to dictate specific triggers and actions that keep your work process humming smoothly. Think of it as a way to reduce repetitive manual work, like reminding your team about approaching deadlines or automatically moving tasks to a completed section. With your rule editor open, you have the choice to start a new rule from scratch. Now we'll focus on setting our trigger, which in Asana language is simply the when condition for your rule. For our purpose today, we're interested in due dates as a trigger. If you find some of the due date triggers grayed out, don't worry, that's a common situation. Simply look for the gear icon at the top right of this window. Clicking it will bring up a setting called Run on Subtasks. Turn the switch off, and you'll find your triggers become available. This small adjustment ensures that your rule applies exactly where you want it, without unexpected restrictions. Returning to our rule setup, you'll now see a complete list of due date triggers ready to be selected. Take a moment to think about which due date event aligns with your workflow needs. It could be the day a task is due, the day before, or perhaps even the very moment a due date is set. For example, setting a rule for the day before a product launch can automatically alert your team to prepare assets or double-check inventory. Choose the trigger that fits your project best. Once your trigger is all set, the next step is to determine the action associated with this trigger. This is the do this part of your rule. It could be anything from alerting a team member, updating a custom field, or moving a task to a different section. The customization options allow you to define what should happen automatically, saving you time and ensuring consistency across your tasks. For instance, moving tasks to a ready-for-review section automatically can reduce bottlenecks and keep your Shopify store workflow smooth. When you're satisfied with your trigger action pair, take a moment to review everything. If all looks good, go ahead and click Publish. And voila, your due date rule is now active, streamlining your workflow with the power of automation and reducing the chance of missed deadlines. Congratulations! You've just added a new layer of efficiency to your Asana projects. Implementing these rules not only enhances your team's productivity, but also minimizes manual oversight, giving you more time to focus on meaningful work, like analyzing sales data or planning promotions. Keep exploring these features to unlock even more potential in your project's management strategy and make your Shopify store operations more organized than ever.